I'll run through the start list. You can see on the screen there, PINEDA, CASTRO, SIGA, SILVA, PERKINS, Rodriguez, SCIACCALUGA and LARSEN. Rounding out a field of 7 in heat 1 of two fastest to advance. And the world record holder and Paralympic record holder in this event, Daniel Diaz, will swim in the second heat. Perkins from the US has shown top form coming into this event. He's 26 years of age. He's got a gold and a silver. CASTRO, a veteran at 45. And SIGA from Malaysia competing in his second Olympics. Silver, of course, gold in Athens. And a bronze medalist in Sydney. It was a quick start there from the Brazilian. They're off to a flyer, they are, in this 50 metres. And at the early stage, it's actually Rodriguez who's performing extremely well, the Spaniard. Heading down the 50 metres. So in the fifth lane, it is Rodriguez who has the early advantage, but he's receiving a big challenge here. The crowd is lifting.
Well, Perkins are looking really strong at the moment in lane 4, ahead of Rodriguez. Clodoaldo Silva is being cheered on by the crowd, but Roy Perkins of USA takes it to the wall. Roy Perkins is feeling in very good form at the moment, is Roy Perkins.
So Perkins from the USA, as we said earlier, shown top form coming into this event and already has medals here at the Rio 2016 Paralympic Games. And
very good Paralympic Games for him, yeah.
34.22, so still well outside the time posted by Daniel Diaz 2 years ago in Pasadena, but should go through comfortably.
Rodriguez at 59, that was just thoroughly impressive from the Spaniard, who led for a little while in the race, but Roy Perkins, not to be denied, took over and took control of this race. Roy Perkins taking it to the wall. He's having a very good Paralympic Games, is the very popular Roy Perkins.
Yes, as you said, Rodriguez touching in second, would dearly love to add to his tally.